Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the ASIN Sales by Period report found in the Orders ASIN Sales section of Communicate for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communicate for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communicate features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The ASIN Sales by Period report displays a list of product sales by Amazon Standard Identification Number, or ASIN, for the period selected and filters applied. An ASIN is a unique identifier comprised of 10 alphanumeric characters for products sold on Amazon.com. It is primarily used to identify products within their product catalog. An ASIN can have multiple FN SKUs and merchant product SKUs assigned to it. The ASIN Sales by Period report displays a list of products for performance and sales evaluation. This report organizes various product sales metrics into 12 reporting periods spanning 180 days. Each reporting period calculates unit and product sales, sales velocity, and velocity change percent between periods. This report offers easy-to-understand detailed sales analysis between periods and overall product performance for the last 180 days. Let's get started with the ASIN Sales by Period report presentation for Marketplace Reporting. Go to the Orders menu located in the ribbon bar and select the ASIN Sales by Period menu item. Right mouse click anywhere in the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the data filters for this report. In the lower left of the data filters are the date options, which determine which date type is used for selecting sales data. The order date is selected by default. The order date is the preferred date when executing order and sales reports like the ASIN Sales by Product. The next set of filters we'll review are the filter options found in the upper right of the data filters. There is only one option, the Include Parts Sales and Units filter. Selecting this option will ignore kit or bundle sales and include the parts for those within the unit's data point. The next set of filters is the Order Status options. The default status is Shipped and Pending. The data filters for this report include additional filter tabs located at the bottom. You can filter by brands, categories, countries, fulfillments, marketplaces, orders, pay methods, products, referrals, ship service, suppliers, states, and warehouses. Click on the Brands filter tab. You will see various brands listed in the available list. From the available list, select a generic brand and add it to the selected list. This selection will limit the report result to products assigned to the generic brand. Now that we've explained the filters, let's review the ASIN Sales by Period report. Click the Apply button to apply the filters to the report. As you can see, there are 37 products listed for this report. The layout for this report is very different from the sales reports we've presented so far. Let's review some of the key elements for this report so you'll better understand how it works. At the very top of the report are 13 groups. The first group contains product data which provide general product information. The remaining 12 groups represent time periods used for calculating sales. The group heading indicates the period in days. The heading for the first group is 3, meaning the sales data for this group represents 3 days. The next group is 7 days, then 10 days, and so on until the last group, which represents 180 days. Let's look at the data columns for the 30-day group so we can explain what they represent. The units column represents the number of units sold. The sales column represents the product sales amount. The velocity column represents the sales velocity. Sales velocity is the average number of units sold per day. The change percent column represents the percentage change between the current period and previous period. In this example, the change percent for 30 days represents the percentage change between the 45 and 30-day periods. The data columns for all 12 groups function the same, but results vary based on the group's time period. The data for each group is cumulative and represents the totals for that period, which includes the preceding periods. For example, Group 7 represents the last 7 days, which would encompass the 3-day group as well. Each successive group encompasses the total for the previous groups until you reach the final group. Group 180 encompasses the sales for the last 180 days. This report provides a window into various time frames so you can analyze product and sales performance. Let's look at the selected item and review some of the calculations. The 3-day group shows 8 units were sold in the last 3 days, making the sales velocity average 2.67 per day with a 19.85% increase from the previous 7-day period. The 7-day group shows 15 units were sold in the last 7 days with a sales velocity of 2.14 average units per day with a 1.87% increase from the previous period. You can continue in this direction until you reach the 180-day group. You can easily choose points in time and compare values. Look at the sales velocity for the 180-day group. The average is 3.17 units per day for the last 180 days. Compare it to the 90-day group. The average is 3.53 units per day, which is more than the velocity for the 180-day group. This product seems to be trending upwards, which is a good thing. Do the same for the 30-day group. The average is 3.47 units per day, which is greater than the velocity for the 180-day group, but slightly less than the velocity for the 90-day group. If you evaluate the remaining groups, it appears this product is trending slightly downward. Let's try another feature which will illuminate a different aspect of this report. Hover your mouse over the right side of the velocity column within the 60-day group. Click on the filter icon and select 0 from the drop-down menu. There are 8 products out of the original 37 which do not have any sales recorded for the last 60 days. Do the same for the velocity column within the 120-day group. There are 4 products with no sales recorded for the last 120 days. You might want to look at these products to determine if there are any recent issues which may affect sales. I think you get the idea about the power of reporting with communicated marketplaces. For more information on filtering reports, review the video Report Filtering How-To. Lastly, the report footer contains the grand totals and averages for each column and each group for all products displayed in this report. This concludes our presentation of the ASIN Sales by Period report found in the Orders ASIN Sales section of Communicated for Marketplaces. In summary, the ASIN Sales by Period report is an easy-to-use report for product sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace Reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about marketplace reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.